That's how we treat our WWE. Baby, these two demons, no mercy for no one. This is a vision, no coward. Boy, like this flower, niggas no foul. Niggas bust them in the jaw. Niggas this is for my thugs. Niggas gone off that wall. Get out, over like a baby. Check on mine, like the Taylor by the car. Like the dealer, ask your girl, did I be the one? We be, come on, do that, we be, come on. Cause I wanna see that. Come on the road till I got niggas cemetery. Well, we be at, you better be back. Come on, we be at, come on. I ain't no pussy ass nigga, you understand? I'm a rapper, but I'm still a gorilla, you understand? I'll put you like the Bill of Manila, you understand? You gon' make me have to kill me a nigga, you understand? I'm gonna be up for a minute, little boy, you understand? And ain't about to let nobody fuck over, you understand? I don't need you play hating on you, you understand? Don't be talking about what you gon' do me, you understand? I'll ride every day of the week, you understand? You get your issue when you playing with me, you understand? I'll find out the spot that you sleep, you understand? Get with my niggas from the block and we creep, you understand? Throw it up, cock it back and get ready, you understand? Make sure you be holding it steady, you understand? We gon' go in there and blow the bitch up, you understand? Soon as we get them, we gon' all get the fuck, you understand? Quiet, tonight is gon' die. Dirty camouflage, numbers with niggas inside. Green chopper, doing surgery on bodies like they doctor. Quiet, tonight is gon' die. Dirty camouflage, numbers with niggas inside. Green chopper, doing surgery on bodies like they doctor. I know when to get my ass out of die. If some people riding, I'm gonna hide. I'ma wait and tell them bitches slow down. Cause I ain't trying to be jailbound. It ain't no one tell them that they fall. I'm just waiting on the right phone call. You know my homies gon' let me know where they at. Nigga got me, I'ma go get them back. One by one they all wanna drive. Right cheers for the foolishness out. I'm trying to get the bullshit over. Cause I wanna go and chill in the noise. We need to get some more ammunition. Cause somebody's about to come up missing. Now everybody hop in the truck. And when you see one of them bitches, you fuck. Be quiet, tonight is we ride. Dirty camouflage, I'm with niggas inside. We chopper, doing surgery on bodies like they doctor. Be quiet, tonight is we ride. Dirty camouflage, I'm with niggas inside. We chopper, doing surgery on bodies like they doctor. Fuck talking, I'ma say this of mine. And I catch some niggas all up and down. Nigga, listen up to what we gonna do. I'm about to get a game with you. That's the reason why I came with you. Cause playing ain't the thing to do. It ain't that hard for me to hit it before. We just gon' make sure that nobody knows. I bet you them boys won't rest. They trying to get the shit off their chest. It ain't over the damn be cool. You're tired of it, nigga, me too. Boy, you know you better stay BQ. We about to go and punish these fools. How about the coin, let the iron ring? That's the end of this stupid ass thing. You understand? Be quiet, tonight we ride. Dirty camouflage, numbers with niggas inside. We chopper, doing surgery on your bodies like they doctor.
want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Get money, new money, hey. Rich boy, tell it quick, book, niggas wanna take shit like no take, just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, tell it quick, book, niggas wanna take shit like no take, just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Put some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac. Rich boy, tell it quick, book, niggas wanna take shit like no take, just bought a Cadillac. Took it to the top, got the damn top, two color flip-flop in the red light. 5 hours in the parking lot. But I still got my Glock hot, new money, motherfucker. Don't you see the big eye? Don't you see the big tie? Don't you see the big grill? Wonder who they hating on lately, baby. This hill, man, it's like that, it's still sick.
What's happening at Y98? Brought to you by bubbly sparkling water. No calories, no sweeteners, all smiles.